Hey guys, I wanted to run this by you. In the last video I had showed how I had gotten the manifold and the carburetor and air cleaner sort of mocked up, and I was pretty pleased with all of that. And I had broken it back down to put some O-rings in place. This isolator block sits between the manifold and the backside of the carburetor, and it has an O-ring there, and then also on the backside of the carburetor you see another O-ring. So I broke it back down to put those together, and I was putting the manifold back on and I just couldn't get it to fit right. And after staring at this for a while and reading several different manuals, I thought, wait a second, what is going on with these intake ports? Let me see if I can get some better light. There you go. Now take a good look at the rear. You see the bevel with the O-ring style, and the front with the rubber band style. So I thought, holy crap, I've got two different heads. One of them's probably the rear, is probably period correct, maybe even stock, and the front is from a 79 to 85 Ironhead. And how about that? They don't make a manifold for that. So after screwing around with the O-ring that would normally sit here, and the band clamp and rubber band that would normally sit here, I've decided to go with this approach, which is essentially use the rubber band and appropriate clamp for both sides. And I think that's probably the best I'm going to be able to do. I'm not thrilled about it. It actually goes this way, doesn't it? I'm not thrilled about it, but you know, she's not going to win any shows. She's not even going to get in any shows. I'm just hoping to get it running so I can ride it yet this summer. So here's what the manifold looks like when it's on. As you can see, there's a bit of there's a space there that's on either side of the rubber band that's not filled. I would much prefer to have a rubber band that's the correct width, but I mean, I'm using a manifold that only fits one head. So it's sort of one of those things that you know, I could screw around with forever and spend a bunch of money on, or I can just use what I've got and, you know, give that a whirl. So this is what I've landed on for now. You know, I've kind of run my finger around the inside of the manifold here just to, you know, feel that it's flush on the inside. And that's really about as good as I can do. So I'm going to clamp those down and then, you know, take it from there. So part 3 of the manifold and whatever. This is what I ultimately settled on, at least for now. See, these are the rubber band style seals and clamps that would go with the 79 to 85 Ironhead, but you know, it's the best that I can do for now. I mean, I don't it's not even running yet, so we'll give this a shot. Who knows? This is the first time I've tried to, you know, put an Ironhead back together and get it running. So who knows? There's probably old timers out there laughing at me thinking, yeah, I tried that once, didn't work very well, but whatever. Talk to y'all later.